In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Pingbacks and Trackbacks in WordPress the right way. If you've ever noticed strange spammy comments or mysterious link notifications showing up on your site, this setting is likely the reason. Pingbacks and Trackbacks are outdated features that were originally designed to notify other blogs when you link to them, but in 2026, they're mostly used for spam and serve little to no real purpose for modern websites. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn them off in just a couple of clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log in to your WordPress website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage posts, pages, plugins, settings, and everything else related to your site. If you're not already there, simply go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and sign in with your admin credentials. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see Settings. Hover over Settings and then click on Discussion. This will take you to the Discussion Settings page, where all comment-related options are managed. Once you're on the Discussion Settings page, look for two specific options near the top. The first one says, Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. The second one says, Allow link notifications from other blogs, which refers to Pingbacks and Trackbacks. By default, these boxes are often checked on many WordPress installations. To disable Pingbacks and Trackbacks, simply uncheck both of these boxes. That's it. By unchecking Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post, your site will stop sending notifications to other blogs when you link to them. And by unchecking Allow link notifications from other blogs, your site will stop receiving those notifications, which are commonly used for spam today. After unchecking both options, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This step is very important. If you don't click Save Changes, WordPress won't apply the new settings. And just like that, you've successfully disabled Pingbacks and Trackbacks on your WordPress site. Now, one quick bonus tip. Disabling this setting will prevent new Pingbacks and Trackbacks from being created moving forward, but it won't automatically remove any existing ones. If you already have spammy Pingbacks in your comments section, you'll need to manually delete them by going to the comments section in your dashboard and removing them from there. For most modern websites, especially business sites, portfolios, landing pages, or niche blogs, there's really no need to keep Pingbacks and Trackbacks enabled. Disabling them helps reduce spam, keeps your comment section clean, and improves overall site management. So again, the steps are simple. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Settings, go to Discussion, uncheck both link notification boxes, and click Save Changes. Quick, easy, and done in under a minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips, security improvements, and website optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.